Hello everyone, welcome to Osak Did It X, where we talk about the crypto airdrops update, and we also test our platforms on how to make money and also give out to people so that people can be able to leverage from it and also grow to our incomes. All right. In this video, we'll be talking about the PAWS airdrop. Now, it's no longer news that PAWS have been banned from the um, Telegram app, and so many people were displeased about the Telegram ban from the Telegram app, thinking otherwise that maybe PAWS is running away with the money investors and the likes of everyone who have been farming PAWS for several months. But PAWS also stood to their ground and made their promises that they were going to move to the website, and PAWS did actually give the promises, and everyone able to get their PAWS point and PAWS and farming on the website. Now, in this video, I'll also be teaching us how to get into the PAWS website in two ways. We have the two ways on how to get into the PAWS website, either in the Phantom wallet or on the already installed or added home PAWS features on your home screen, which we did in the previous task that was given to us. All right. And also in the PAWS airdrop, yesterday was the PAWS allocation checker, where PAWS gives their update on going to do the PAWS check on the, that was the day before yesterday. All right. Yeah, that was the day before yesterday. And also PAWS stated in their Discord channel, on Discord group, and also in their X space that they will also be dropping our locations on the website where we farmed our points. All right. And it was completely by around somewhere around I think around 8 or 9, our PAWS allocation was dropped for us. Let us check on how to check our allocations. All right. So first of all, the first method is we're going to go to where we have also installed or added the home features of PAWS on the home screen. So I'm here. I'm going to be clicking on the PAWS which I added to. So click on the PAWS. When I click on the PAWS, it takes me to the PAWS website, and we click on verify yourself. All right. So verifying myself, I verified myself in the inbuilt wallets, in the inbuilt Phantom wallet app. So I click on the Phantom wallet. It's logging me in. Okay. Congrats. Now we're gonna confirm. We're gonna click on the three top area in the left corner, the three hamburger. Then we scroll down and click on the claim button. When we click on the claim button, then we scroll down. My PAWS balance, I had about 892.86k PAWS. I had 77 PAWS balance, and I also have, out of my referrals, out of 1,507, I had about only one active referrals. You can imagine. This is oh my goodness, this is not cool, but at the same time we move. So click on next. Ta-da! So my location, I was given $13,696 PAWS. All right, and that's that. So we wait for the our claiming. The claiming button is not available yet, so we'll wait for further instructions on the claim button. So quickly, the second method is going to the Phantom wallet, the inbuilt Phantom wallet app. So we click on the inbuilt Phantom wallet with the Phantom wallet. Let's click on the Phantom. We will search for Phantom. All right. So we click on the Phantom wallet. The second method on how to get into the website. We click on the Phantom. We copy the. So we're gonna copy the website from the browser. All right. Just follow what I'm doing. So paste it. Then we search on it. So this is another way to get into the website, and you take a pause. Let's see, claim. Eligibility correct. Next 13,696. There are so many people who had beyond WPAS. I will say the big congrats to them, and also we'll wait for the listing price. If this method didn't work for you, all right, what you're gonna do is click on the, when you're going to connect your, when you get into the website, just like what I did here. When you get into the website, all right, when you get to the website, all right, and you are asked to verify yourself, all right, you're going to click on the particular one out of the three where you connected your wallet to the website. Is it a Tonkeeper, is it a Phantom wallet, or the PAWS Telegram app? I wouldn't click the Ton wallet because my Ton wallet was not connected to this one, but I clicked the Phantom wallet because it was connected to my Phantom, to my PAWS farming, whatever it is, and it went successfully. So whichever is the one that you choose, you connected to, is what is going to gain it. All right, so that's that. Quickly, let's talk about the pre-market price. All right, we're going to calculate the market capitalization divided by the total supply. So we assume that the market capitalization is $1 billion, all right, and the total supply is $100 billion. To do this, we are going to calculate, we're going to divide $1 billion, all right. We're going to calculate $1 billion divided by the total supply, which is 100 billion, total supply. So our listing price, or the pre-market, is 0.01. So we're going to have 0.01 as the listing price. Hopefully it gets, and remember we can't and remember we don't know if pre-market is not the same as the listing price, right? And so the listing price, it can either be higher or be lower. So we open that the price becomes higher than 0.01 because so many people are not happy about the allocation, which gets below, which they got below 10, we go below 10 points, you know, right? So, and I wouldn't want to make this video so long. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like, and also turn on the notification bell. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.